In this video, I will show you how to fix Epic Games keeps crashing. So if the Epic Games launcher keeps crashing, or it's not opening, or it keeps freezing up, then follow along with me for some fixes to resolve this problem. Before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. Let me know in the comments down below if any of these methods did work for you. There's a couple of reasons why the Epic Games or Epic Games launcher could be crashing, so we're going to go through some various methods. Now the first thing you're going to want to try is closing down any background apps that are currently running, as this can cause compatibility issues with Epic Games. To do this, from your desktop, come down to the bottom right hand corner and click onto this arrow down here which says show hidden icons. Now what that's going to do is show all the current apps which are running in your background. For example, in my case, you can see I've got the Riot Vanguard that's running in the background, as well as things like Google Chrome and CCleaner, which is a PC cleaning utility. So to close this down, all you need to do is simply right click onto each icon, and what's going to happen, you're going to get a side menu come up. All you need to do is click onto exit for the appropriate apps and just repeat this for all the background apps. Once that's done, see if you can now successfully open up the Epic Games launcher. Now if that didn't work for you, the next thing I would recommend doing is making sure that your Windows system is up to date. If you have an out of date system or drivers, this can also cause compatibility issues with Epic Games and lead to the launcher crashing. So to check this, from your desktop, come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. In here, type update, and then underneath best match, you can see there's an option that's going to come up called check for updates. So give that a click. What it's going to do is take you to the Windows update screen, and from here, you're going to see a blue button to check for updates. Simply give that a click and give it a minute or two to see if there's any available updates. Now, if there's any updates available, what it's going to do is start downloading, or there might be a button to actually click to download and install any available updates. After doing that, restart your PC to apply the update and see if that fixes the problem. If you're still having problems, then what you're going to want to do now is from your desktop, if you look for the Epic Games launcher, if you have it as a desktop shortcut, if not, come down to the search box in the taskbar at the bottom, just type Epic Games and the launcher should come up underneath best match. Now what you want to do at this point is right click onto the app, click onto open file location, and on this window that comes up, again right click onto the app and again click onto open file location. Now from here, what you're going to do is right click again onto the Epic Games launcher, and this time you want to click onto properties. Once that's done, come up to the top and click onto compatibility on this properties window. And what you want to do is come down to the settings section and tick the box to run this program as an administrator. Now, once that's done, click apply and OK. And what you then want to do is right click onto the Epic Games launcher and run as administrator to see if you can now open up the launcher. If you're still having problems, what I would recommend doing is coming back onto the properties window. So right click onto the Epic Games launcher. On this menu, click onto properties, then come up to the top, click onto the compatibility tab, and what you want to do this time is leave the box ticked where it says run this program as an administrator, but you also want to tick the box which says disable full screen optimizations and tick the box at the top to run this program in compatibility mode. You can leave it selected to Windows 8, and then what you want to do is again come and click onto apply and OK, and then just double click to see if that now fixes the problem, and at this point you should now be able to launch the Epic Games launcher. So that's how to fix Epic Games keeps crashing. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.